much bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be a really tiny thing, but it's fucking massive. I can't even catch it in one screen.
Unthought perishes.
I'm gonna head over to mini Europe now. And then I'm gonna go to the Grand Place. I was really fascinated. I think you can go to the very top because there was a huge line, but I didn't go because the line was so fucking long. I mean, halfway through you can already see the like entire view of the city. So I thought going any higher wouldn't make a difference. I love this place. It's so fucking cool. I learned so much history. I want to come back. I want to work here. I think this is the best vin chaud I've had in Europe so far. It kind of tastes like there's apples in it. Also, they added rum. I'm really stoked about the rum. I can taste it. It's boozy. So, I'm in Brussels right now. I got my drink. I'm out here at the Christmas market like I always do. And Americans don't know about Christmas markets in Europe. Like, shit is legendary. And in Brussels, it's litty titty.
Puis avant de réclamer les pépettes. Tout travail mérite salaire et me parle pas de caissière. J'en ai vu défiler comme le juge envoie les condamnés au bagne. Autrement dit, fais pas gaffe aux michtos. Autrement dit, fais pas gaffe aux types.